Alright, how's it going everyone? Today's topic we're looking at substitution. So I'm just going to go through how to do that and then you can get stuck into some work. It shouldn't take too long, it's pretty quick. So the idea being that when you have an algebraic equation, right, um, you have a bunch of letters in there, pronumerals. In this case I've got M and N, which I should probably make a little bit more defined so you can tell them apart, right? Um, Now, we're looking at the idea that if you were to substitute these letters with these values, how would that go, right? So in this case, M is going to be equal to 3 and N is going to be equal to 2. So obviously in the question will tell you what to do. But in this case, all I'm going to be doing is replacing that letter with that number. So we have 3. Instead of minus M, it's minus 3, right, plus N, which in this case is 2. 3 minus 3 plus 2 is 2. Right? Now, in this case, the second question, keep in mind that when there's a pronumeral in front of a coefficient in front of a letter, like this, like 2m, that means 2 times m, right? So again, I'm just going to fill in these values and swap them in for m equals 3, n equals 2. So instead of 2m, it's 2 times 3 minus 7 times 2, right? Which is 6 minus 14, which is negative 8. Right? Let's do another one. So we have, this time we have in brackets. Keep in mind to use BidMath whenever you can. So again, I'm going to substitute these values in. So we have 3, open bracket, and then inside the brackets we have m is 3 plus n, which is 2, equals. Right? Now, according to BidMath, you should do your brackets first. So I'm going to plus together these two numbers in the brackets. And that's going to give me 5. So we can do 3 times 5. Okay, so there's a number outside the bracket and a number inside the bracket that just means times. So 3 times 5 gives me 15. Alright, next one. I've got 6, a half of n minus 2m. So I'm going to substitute those values in again. 1 half times n minus 2 times m. Right. So again, I'm going to do what's inside the brackets first. So a half of 2 is 1, minus 2 times 3 is 6, which means 1 minus 6 is negative 5, and then 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. Right, cool. I'll show you an example of what it looks like when you substitute a negative number in very quickly. Right. Let's say, in this case, we'll say x equals 3. We'll say y equals negative 4. Right. Let's say I had 3x minus 4y, and I want to know what that equals. Okay. So again, I'm going to substitute these numbers in. So x is 3, so 3 times 3 minus 4 times negative 4. Okay. So 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Now you've got to think back to when we did directed numbers. A minus and a minus together are the same as writing a plus. So what's 9 plus 16? Well, we have 25. So that's the general idea. I don't think you'll find anything much harder than that on these worksheets that I've attached. So you might get something like 7xy minus y. What does that equal? Well, you have 7 times 3 times negative 4 minus negative 4. Alright? 7 times 3 is 21. Times 4 is 84. And because there's a minus included in this, it's a negative 84 minus negative 4. And remember, a minus and a minus are the same as a plus. So negative 84 plus 4 equals negative 80. So that's about it. I think we're going to leave it there. Hopefully that helps you, and hopefully it enables you to do the work that I've said today. All right? Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.